This is a perfect gift for Percy. Now all I have to do is wrap it.
Hey, Thomas.
It's Percy! Quick, hide it!
What are you doing?
I gotta do a delivery to the docks.
The docks?
Yes, Percy, Cranky has a big load for me to take it back here.
Alright, Thomas, I gotta deliver the mail. See you later.
Bye, Percy. Phew, that was a close one. I gotta go to the docks now.
Hey Thomas, how's it going?
Going good, Nia. I gotta deliver a present for Percy.
Why?
Because it's our anniversary since we met, and I can't wait to give this present for Percy.
Alright Thomas, good luck!
Whoa, careful there, Cranky. This cargo is very delicate.
Don't have to rush me, Thomas. And he's gone.
Come on, gotta get this present to Percy. Whoa, ah! No, not the cargo. Maybe it's still good? The gift is ruined. Now what am I gonna tell Percy?
Thomas, are you okay?
Percy, I really don't want to tell this, but I should tell you the truth. Percy, I was trying to give you a present for our best friend anniversary, but it's sadly broken.
Oh, I didn't know if our anniversary until I remembered, but don't worry, Thomas. I've got a gift that you will like.
Wait, is it Percy?
Open it and see.
Okay, Percy, if you say so. It's a brand new boxcar!
I got you a new boxcar to take everywhere with you. How you used to take Boxy all over the place, and when Boxy got turned into a toolkit, I thought of giving you another boxcar just like Boxy. So, Thomas, what you gonna name it?
I'll name it Hudson, because I think it's just a wonderful name.
Oh, hey, Hudson, how are you?
You're funny, Percy. Let's go play with him.
What are you two playing? You two should be working.
Oh, right time to make my very first delivery with Hudson.
Hudson?
I got Thomas a brand new boxcar after what happened to Boxy.
Ah, I see. What happened to Thomas's gift?
Thomas said that way it was broken while he was on his way.
Oh, okay. But it was nice of you getting this Hudson, to him.
I know, that's what best friends do to help one another.
Okay then, see you later, Percy.
Bye, Nia. Wait, Thomas, for me.
Woohoo! Never thought this could be so much fun. Woohoo! No. Help. Carly, Sandy. Never mind.